Hi guys, Football Cards and Stickers here, and today we're going to be opening and reviewing the multi-pack for the Panini ADRENALYN XL FIFA World Cup trading card collection. It's issued in all good newsagents in the UK and is priced at £4.99 there. And within each multi-pack you get 6 unopened packets for the collection, and of course a random limited edition. In this limited edition we've got CR7 of Real Madrid and Portugal limited edition card. So without further ado, let's get this multi-pack open. And as you can see there's the limited edition card of Cristiano Ronaldo, one action shot and a headshot. There he is with 78 defence, 110 attack. Absolutely fantastic goal record he has for Portugal and indeed Real Madrid. There's his code for anyone who wishes to play the online game. If you're quick, you have to be very, very quick. So there's that card, that's really nice. And now let's get these 6 packets off from the multi-pack. And last pack to get off, there's the 6 packs off the multi-pack. So we're now ready to open the packs, so let's get these underway. Before we start, there's the ratios. Just hit the pause button if you want to see some of the lesser rare cards, but of course the top masters are 1 in every 23 packets and double trouble 1 in every 66 packets. So first up we have Lens of the Netherlands, one to watch, Benteke of Belgium, Andrea of Italia, and then we have the German logo there, Deutsche Fußball, Jacol of Japan, Joe Hart, Philipp Lahm, Patrice Evra and Gökhan Inler. Next up we have Paradis of Ecuador, Majani, Temurian, Iker Casillas of Spain, Tene, and we have Torresidis of Greece, and the England goal stopper, Joe Hart, UK edition. Football Cards Bulgaria will be happy to see that. Izaguri and Ospina. Next up we have Katsouras of Greece, followed by Moreno of Mexico, followed by Slimani of Algeria. Next up El Shaarawy of Italia, Pereira of Colombia, Abate of Italy, Diego Forlan expert card of Uruguay there, followed by Negredo of Spain and Oliver Giroud of France. Next pack we have Musa of Nigeria, Kawashima of Japan, Robin of the Netherlands, Royce of Germany, Ashley Cole, expert card of England, Kruse of Australia, followed by Strootman of the Netherlands and Roma, Veloso of Portugal, Romero of Argentina, the goalkeeper I should say. 5th pack. We have Glushakov of Russia, Salomon Kalou of the Ivory Coast, Kurtzakov of Russia again, followed by Bonucci of Italia, Courtois of Belgium, And then we have the Brazil logo of the hosts and joint favourites for the competition with Spain. A full of Ghana, Bergen of Switzerland, and finally Jackson Martinez of Colombia. Next pack we have Mitroglou of Greece, Podolski, and then there he is, goal stopper card this time, Gigi Buffon, world champion in 2006, magnificent goalkeeper. And we have Costly of Honduras, Dominguez of Ecuador, Arjen Robben, yet another fantastic world footballer, David Luiz of Brazil, Neuer, and finally Kombarov of Russia. So that completes the multi-pack for the Cristiano Ronaldo limited edition card and 6 packets. I hope you've enjoyed this multi-pack opening. As you can see there, don't forget to give the video a massive thumbs up, guys, and of course I'll see you guys all in the next video. But until then, arrivederci.